Welcome everyone to Wickenburg, Arizona. Wickenburg is located about 1 hour northwest of downtown Phoenix, Arizona. Situated in the heart of Arizona's desert, Wickenburg is a town where Native American traditions, the Wild West, and the Gold Rush days come together to tell a remarkable story. Join me on this walking tour as we uncover its rich history and trace its origins, exploring how it helped shape the Old West. It all began in 1863, when Henry Wickenburg, a German immigrant, established the town of Wickenburg. Originally, he was drawn to the area for its potential in cattle ranching. Wickenburg soon found its fortune in gold. The nearby Vulture Mine yielded a wealth of gold, which set off a rush that attracted miners, traders, and settlers to the area. The Vulture Mine, which was established in 1863, became one of the very most significant gold mines in Arizona history. Over time, the mine yielded millions in gold, fueling the town's economy and attracting countless fortune seekers to its doors. But Wickenburg wasn't just all about gold. In fact, this small town was at the heart of some of the most pivotal moments in Western history. By the late 1800s, it had become a thriving community with homes, businesses, schools, and churches. Located on the Prescott to Phoenix stagecoach route, Wickenburg had turned into a vital stop for travelers, growing into the key hub for ranching, mining, and trade. But Wickenburg's history isn't just about settlers and miners. Before the arrival of European settlers, this wonderful land was home to the Yavapai and Havasupai Native American tribes. They lived in the region for centuries, hunting, farming, and building strong communities in a harsh desert environment. Today, evidence of their presence, like petroglyphs and various artifacts, can still be discovered in the region. The historic courthouse, built in 1914, is a testament to the town's importance and growth. For decades, it was at the heart of local government and now stands as part of the town's historic district. Of course, any story about Wickenburg wouldn't be complete without recognizing its significant role in the Wild West. It earned its fame as a haven for both lawmen as well as a home for many cowboys. The town's colorful past can be celebrated at the Desert Caballeros Western Museum, where visitors can dive into exhibits that highlight the town's cowboy culture, art, and history. It is also famous for its rodeo, which has been a staple since 1948. Each year, the Wickenburg Gold Rush Days Rodeo attracts cowboys and cowgirls from all over the country, becoming a beloved event in the town. The rodeo celebrates ranching and cowboy traditions and serves as a reminder of the enduring connection to the Old West. modern life and Old West nostalgia come together, creating a charming town that honors its past while embracing the present. Visitors can experience the beauty of the Arizona desert, enjoy outdoor activities, and explore its museums and many historic buildings. The town may be modest in size, but there are no shortages of things to explore. From outdoor adventures like hiking and horseback riding, to charming boutiques, shops, delicious dining, the town offers a taste of the West, both in its natural beauty and its welcoming community. Wickenburg, Arizona may have began as a gold rush town, but its real treasure is found in its rich history, vibrant culture, and the wonderful people who call it home. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour and journey through Wickenburg's past. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures like this. See you in the next video.